Hey there, it's Asia Scarlett Jones from ASJ Law Office coming to you with another Conversations with Gregg. And for those that don't know, Gregg is my husband of now 12 years. Sometimes we have these conversations based off of general topics, maybe celebrities or things that may have come up in conversation. And we kind of chat about it, and I give him free legal advice about things that don't apply to him. So in this conversation, we discussed paternity, and we were going back and forth about why it's so important for people to establish paternity. So many years ago, in the beginning of my career, I represented a lot of dads who were either going to court to establish paternity or they were being brought to court for child support. And I always told my clients, you must establish paternity when presented with the opportunity. Why? Because if you sign what's called an acknowledgement of paternity when the child is born, and you don't take a DNA test, and then years later, you hold yourself out to be dad, and then you want to go back to court or go to court to challenge that paternity, you're going to be stopped. The court is going to say, wait, you held yourself out to be dad for 10 years. We're not giving you a DNA test. And it doesn't matter if you take this DNA test privately and the results yield that you are not the father, the court is not going to allow you out of this order or off the hook for custody and child support. This is why I suggest that all fathers take DNA tests before they sign an acknowledgement of paternity, or if you are at court establishing paternity or child support, if the court gives you the opportunity to take a DNA test, take the test. It will save you heartache, money, and turmoil down the line. It's never worth it to take that gamble. I understand the other parent may not like it, but at the end of the day, you're protecting yourself and you're protecting this child, because the court will not find it to be in that child's best interest to then have you take a DNA test after you establish yourself as dad.